YouTube, what's going on with y'all kin folk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy, back again with another video, with another pickup, man. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button for your boy, ring that notification bell. 3K is on the way and we so close. I'm up here in Rock Hill right now, well, down here. Had to drive down, see what was happening. Man, I hit on the raffle, Rock Hill Galleria. So let me put my mask on and walk up in this thing. Let's go. I'm gonna tell y'all now, this mall here ain't hitting on nothing. And it's Friday. Ooh. Man, it's worse than the mall in Orangeburg. I see they got a foot action down there. I'm trying to find a Foot Locker to pick my ones up. I need to go to the ATM too. Oh, there's a Foot Locker down there. Alright, let's see what they were rocking with, man. Got the old school Foot Locker, boy. Yeah, they about to shut that down.
Eventually,
the deed is set, the deal is done. Pollen ones, got them pairs late, but had to make sure I had mine, man. Real talk, bro. Like, it's been a long time coming. I don't know why everything coming late, but I'm about to go home and give y'all the review. All right, YouTube, so we back at the crib with this thing. Y'all just saw me go to that dead behind mall to pick these things up, man, and I'm uber excited about these because this was a colorway. When I first saw it, I knew I was gonna get it, man. I just wanted it as soon as I instantly saw it, but I ain't gonna ramble on. Let's go ahead and get into details. Bro, you see this box? This box is amazing, man. Like, I really think Jordan Brand should do this with the ones they're releasing here on out. Like, bro, we got the black and yellow box versus the original black and red box that we always get. But I'm gonna read the tag for y'all. And this is a Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Colorway is Pollen White Black. This is a size 12, personal size. And these retail for $170. After taxes up here, it was like $181. I wasn't able to use my discount on these, which I'm kind of hurt about. But these late shipments has been killing me, dog, because I've been trying to save to get everything I want. And I can't get nothing I want on time, man. And I'm not paying for it early because eventually I know we're gonna get it. But nonetheless, let's go look at these things. All right, so we got our Nike stamp. I don't know if y'all can see that red stamp right there. And we got our swoosh. And just the first look off these, man, like I said, I'm uber excited about these, dogs. This is a pair that I had to have. Definitely one of my top ones of the year. Like, we've had a lot of heat come out, but these are definitely a top Jordan 1 of the year right here. Just looking at the sneaker, man, the color pops so well on these, y'all. Like, this color pop is amazing. And the yellow, it's like, it kind of reminds me of like a honeycomb yellow. They saying pollen, but it really does look like a honeycomb or either mustard yellow. That's what it puts me in the mind frame of, man. And these are similar to the Wu-Tang Dunks or the Iowa Dunks. I ended up selling my Iowa Dunks, but looking at this sneaker, I'm kind of regretting it now because the yellows are completely different. Like, that yellow on the Iowa and the Wu-Tang Dunks, it was more like a poppy yellow. So I wish I would have kept those, but this is a good substitute for this. I'm sure everybody knows ones are like hotcakes right now. They're selling like hotcakes. I remember when I used to put sales tags on ones, and bro, this is it right here. But going into detail of this sneaker, let's start with the outsole. So we do have our yellow outsole right here, and heading up onto the midsole, we do have our all white midsole, which goes around the sneaker. And heading up into the toe box, The toe box is black with the smooth leather. This is actually a perfect type of leather right here. Not shattered backboard quality, but it kind of reminds me of the Pine Green 2.0 leather. You know, we got that soft leather up on the toe cap and up on the upper. All right, and staying with the upper, on the lateral side, we do have our Air Jordan Wings logo on the upper. Man, and on the left sneaker, it does come with 2 extra set of laces. So if you don't like the yellow laces that it came with, you know, you can swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy. You can swap it out with your white laces or your black laces. All right, and then it also features a nylon tongue. And heading up onto the tag on the tongue, the tag is yellow and it has Nike Air in white with the black Nike swoosh. And like I said, this is a soft plush leather, man, for real. We do have a black insole with Nike Air on the insole. Bruh, overall, I'm gonna give these a B plus, man. Like I said, ones are like the wave this year, well, these past couple years. Like every time a one come out now, it's definitely gonna sell out, which to my surprise over the last couple years, because like I said, I remember putting sale tags on ones, like ones legit used to sit. But yeah, let me know how y'all feel about these. These did, like I said, these were late. They popped up on the app, and luckily I was able to get a pair from a different store. Y'all saw me drive down to Rock Hill. That mall was dead. That mall might be worse than Orangeburg Mall, dog, for real. If y'all from South Carolina, y'all know about all that, man. Orangeburg Mall dead. That Rock Hill Mall was horrible. But I got love for the Hill, man. You know, shout out to Rock Hill. I got love for South Carolina in general, man. But yeah, once again, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like what you see over here. And if you want to see more reviews from your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Go Weezy, aka your favorite country cousin. Hey man, I'm out here, dog. So subscribe to the channel, hit that like button. Hey, so you don't miss out on anything, man. But here we have it once again, the Pollen Retro 1s. Hey man, y'all know how I get out of here, baby. Love, peace, and all this beef, throw some chicken grease on that thing. Out of here.